Yo, what's going on, guys? Chord Master here. So I just finished a piano lesson and I have a really easy way to identify your major and minor triads much faster than the way that you might be doing them currently. So let me go ahead and show you. So major and minor triads consist of 3 notes, right? And so the most important thing that I want you guys to get out of this video is what a fifth is and how easy fifths are to identify. A fifth is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's the 1 and the 5. So from white keys, you have fifth, here, 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 here. All white keys, same exact order except for B. B is this because of the amount of half steps between a fifth, and then back to this. So knowing your white key fifths, it's always, right? And then black key fifths are always 2 black keys in the middle of 2 other black keys. So, except for B flat, which is this, and then back here. So, from there, you have 66.6% of the keys that you need to know in any 3-note chord. You have your 1 and you have your 5. Now the middle, how do you know what the middle note out of these 4 for C major? Well, it turns out that if you even just look at this and just get comfortable with these half-step distances, we know that this is too close to this, so that doesn't work. This is too close to this, so that doesn't work. So these 2 are eliminated. How about over here? This is too close to this, so that wouldn't work. And this is too close to this, so that wouldn't work. So we've eliminated these 4 notes, and we're left with these 2. And out of those 2, they're half step away from each other, and we know that a half step lower than the major triad is how you create the minor triad. So the lower one has to be the minor. The higher one has to be the major. Pick another random note. How about here? How about A? Same thing. Look and notice. You don't have to even look at, like, count these. You can just kind of say, oh, the middle notes. These are the 2 middle notes. So the lower, it has to be the minor. Higher has to be the major. How about up here? Middle notes. Oh, okay. Well, middle notes here have to be lower has to be minor. Higher has to be major. So practice that a little bit and let me know what you guys think. See you in the next video. Peace.